Welcome to our video on image render engines in the MidJourney. Whether you're a professional artist or just a hobbyist, the quality of your renders is crucial for bringing your creations to life. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into some of the most popular render engines on the market, and show you how great they perform with one simple prompt. The possibilities are endless, so sit back, relax, and prepare to discover the best render engines for your next project. Let's get started. As you can see, with these examples, you can imagine the power of image rendering in MidJourney. With one simple, very basic prompt, you get versatile character collection that can be used for a wide range of applications. That concludes our video on image render engines in the MidJourney. In our next installment, we will delve deeper into the capabilities of MidJourney by showcasing the impact of various parameters such as art style, materials, filters, uplights, scene type, and more. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay informed of all our latest and greatest content releases.